Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise Candy semi-automatic twin tub washing machine. This machine having problem with the wash motor. It's not rotating properly. This is the main issue actually. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. First of all, I will show you what is the problem with this machine, and we will go to the next step. Now I already given power for the machine. Now I'm starting a spin cycle. The spin cycle actually no any issue. It's working fine. But while we are selecting wash cycle, you can hear the noise. This abnormal noise coming from the machine, from the motor. We have to check the motor. This one sometime rotating but sometime not rotating. It's getting stuck only but not rotating. This humming noise coming from the motor. We will check the motor, and back cover we have to remove, and we will check. This is model wise RTT 21751 WSU 19 17.5 kg. We will remove the back cover and we will check. This screw we have to remove, and it will come like that. Now you can see the motor. See, the motor is humming. Now you can see the problem is getting stuck motor. See, it's too much heating motor. This one, if you thinking it is problem with the capacitor starting capacitor, we will check the capacitor also. But this one not problem with the capacitor problem. This is now I will do one thing. I will remove the motor belt, V belt. And now I can remove the belt and we will check again. And I already removed the belt. And again we can check. Now it's rotating, but after some time it's getting stuck. See, you can see the problem. It's now already got stuck. Now we will check the capacitor. We have to remove the harness cover here. You can check here one fuse also, but no any issue fuse because all working properly. This is the capacitor. It's motor starting capacitor. This one capacitor 8 microfarad and 15 microfarad. This one 15 microfarad, 450 watts. This one red and yellow. This is the capacitor for the wash motor. Other one is spin motor. Now we can check if capacitor actually having any problem. It's not getting stuck while we are turning with the hand. Pulse stator, it should run. If it is having it's same, we know it's problem with the capacitor. But in this case, no problem with the capacitor. We have to check the motor only, because the motor having problem. The starting winding, and this is the wires, the yellow and red, also blue. Now we will check first motor continuity, and we can check this fuse also. This fuse no issue. Now I'm going to release harness from the connector. This blue wire, this is common wire, and also I will disconnect this one also. Starting, because this one both side clockwise, anti-clockwise, both side rotating. Now I'm going to check continuity for the motor. Now this is common, this is starting running, but this both should be the same continuity. Is showing 52, also 25. This one also should be with the common same. 26 is showing, but the winding okay, but problem with the motor. The capacitor no need to check also. Capacitor it's okay. This one capacitor. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the new motor. This one new motor. I'm going to replace this motor now. This motor 220 50 hertz, 200 watts, 1.8 ampere, and 1350 rpm per minute. This motor we have to, I'm going to replace, and we will check the new motor continuity. Is 25.7. Also this one you can see the same 25. 25.7. This one also same 25.7. Both windings are showing very equal same. Now I'm going to remove the motor and we will replace and check. Now I'm going to remove the motor. Now I already removed the wash motor. This one also the same, and both are same. Now what I can do, I have to remove this pulley. Now I have to remove this pulley and we have to replace here, and we will replace it and we will check. Now we can take it out. Now the same we have to fix here. This motor is very hot, actually it's too much getting heat while running time, because getting stuck because of that. This motor you can see it's rotating very nicely like that, but this motor is not rotating like that. It's stuck actually. Now anyway we will fix. Pulley and we will fix and we will check. We already fixed pulley for the new motor, and we have to remove this bush. And we will fix here. Now I'm going to fix new motor for the machine. Now I already finished. I already fixed motor for the washing machine. Now I have to give harness connections. After that we will check it should work properly. We will check after that. Now I have to give the harness connections. After that we will see. Now I given connections, power connections. Now I already select one wash option, wash cycle. Now you can see without any problem motor running well. The problem with the motor only. Now finally we can fix the belt, and we can complete the job. If it is having the same issue, we have to replace the motor. Now I'm going to fix the belt. Now we fix already belt. Now we will check again. Now we will check with the spin motor also. One cycle spin. You can see the spin motor running well, no any issue. My job already complete. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching again.